how to host an online event on Meetup. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can host an online event on Meetup. So hosting an online event on Meetup is a great way to connect with your community virtually. And this is how to go about it. First of all, for you to host an online event, you would have to have your own Meetup group page. And for you to have your own Meetup group page, you'd have to upgrade to the paid version of Meetup. So to upgrade to the paid version, on the home tab, you would always see the option try Meetup plus free for 7 days. And you just click on that option. Then once you've seen it, you'll be taken to a page where you would see the different plans available, the monthly plan as well as the annual plan. And once you've decided on the one that you would like to go for, just go ahead and click on start your free trial, and you can cancel at any time, and then you'll be asked to add your credit or your debit card, a lot of that. Once you've done that, you'll be brought to the page. Your Meetup account will be different, okay, because you're now making use of the free version or the paid version. And then the next step would be for you to create an account, create a group page, sorry. And how do you create a group page? It is very simple. Still on the home page, move to the top right corner where you can see your profile icon, and then click on it. After clicking on your profile icon, you'll be brought to your profiles page. On this page, you can see profile photo, details about your account. Then scroll down until you can see start a new group. And so click on that. And then follow through all of these processes of creating a group. Alright, select your location, what will your group be about, ensure you type it out. Okay, then click on next, then enter in the name of the group, type out a description of the group, and then once you're done, your group will be created. The reason I was brought back to this page is because I am still making use of the free version of Meet You. But for you, once you've upgraded your account to a paid version, this would not be appearing, and so your group would be created. So once your group has been created, the next step would be for you to go to the group page, and then on the group page, click on create event. All right, click on create event, and after selecting create event, you'll be taken to the page where you'll be asked to set the event details, all right, such as the title, the date and time, a description of the event. Then you have to choose an online platform where the event would hold. So it could be a video conferencing service like Zoom, Google Hangout, or any kind of video conferencing platforms. Then once you've done that, add the link to your video conferencing service in the event location field. Then make this an online event and it would be displayed. Okay, so you can choose to complete any other optional settings and then publish your event. Then share the event link on your social media platforms. You can even share it on the explore page. All right, you can share it on the explore page and engage with your group members to remind them about the event. And then on that day, on the day of the event, start the video conference a few minutes early to ensure everything is working. Then welcome participants as they join and facilitate the event as planned. So that is it. Okay, so for you to be able to host an online event, ensure you've upgraded your account, and then create a new group, click on start a new event, and you are good to go. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.